Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add close friends on Facebook. So, make sure to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. To get started, open your Chrome browser and visit facebook.com on your mobile device or computer. If you're not already logged in, sign in to your Facebook account. If you're on a mobile device, tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Desktop Site to switch to the desktop version of Facebook. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and go to Friends in the menu. From here, you'll see options like Friend Requests and Suggested Friends. Scroll down and tap on Custom Lists. In this section, look for Close Friends and tap it. This will show you all the friends currently on your close friends list. To add someone, tap the Manage button in the top right corner of the screen. You can either search for the person using the search bar or scroll through your list to find them. Once you've located the friend you want to add, tap their name to select them. Then, hit Save at the bottom to confirm and add them to your close friends list. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to your close friends list on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching,